Good morning, I hope you're doing very well. It's fantastic to have you here in the workshop again. So right now it's 20 to 9 in the morning. In about 20 minutes I'm going to have 4 guys show up who are here to do a one-day beginner blacksmithing class. It's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy the video and yeah, let's do some forging. Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you. That's a lot of fun teaching that class. Great group of guys to work with. I hugely enjoyed it. And it was brilliant, you know, halfway through the day, they're like, hey Alec, can we make a knife? So obviously I obliged. They all made knives. They all had a huge amount of fun. I had a huge amount of fun too, teaching it. Fantastic. It's now 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday after having done the live show last night. And I just edited this video. I'm now going to head to the workshop and I'm going to tinker about and sort some things out there and hopefully make an interesting video. We'll see. Thank you very much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow on the next episode. And of course, be sure to leave a like, comment below something, and have a fantastic day. Subscribe, that kind of stuff. Whatever. Have a great one. Bye.